Trailers for cigarette, rooms to live 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of a pushing broom by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom. He's a line of means by no means king of the road. $30 the midnight train, destination bang on me. Oh, what out suit shoes. You don't pay no union dues. Smoke's supposed to be PS5. It's short but not too big around. He's a man of green by no means king of the road. He knows every engineer on earth, all their fuses and all of their names. Every handout and every town, every lock that ain't locked for no one around. He sings, for sailor, room to live 56. No phone, no food, no pet. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of a pushing broom by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom. He's a man of means by no means king of the road. $30 midnight train, destination bang on me. Old worn out suit and shoes. He don't pay no union dues. $30 Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when we kissed and you called me sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Will you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? You know, someone said the world is a stage, and each must play a part. Fate had me playing in love with you as my sweetheart. Act 1 is when we met. You read your lines so cleverly, you never missed a cue. Then came Act 2. You seemed to change, you acted strange, and why I'll never know. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me. And I had no cause to doubt you, but I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. Now the stage is bare, and I'm standing there, emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, then might as well ring the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you